What's up?
I'm Eko from Indonesia.
How you doing?
Why you?
Hey? I know, it's just fucking somebody spilled water on my whole bag got soaked, so I had to relocate stuff. What's going on, man?
You are Holland fans, right?
I'm from Holland. I was born and raised there.
Okay.
I moved to Australia when I was 14, so hence the accent.
In knockout, Netherlands will play USA.
We do indeed, Saturday.
What will it gonna be easy to Netherlands?
I don't think so.
Shit.
But I'll be quietly confident. I'll be quietly confident because I know where I'm standing at the moment. Oh yes, it will be a good game. It'll be exciting, and I just hope that there'll be lots of goals because I hate draws. That's especially 0-0 draws. So look, as long as there's a good game of football, I'll be happy.
Okay. Okay. Good luck for your
Thank you
team.
very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. I was standing in the background of ESPN was fucking going in there in the crowd. And I was standing there in the background as they were interviewing guys. I'm just standing there silently holding fucking Holland.
Where were they at?
Sorry, can you write your name?
Yeah, sure, man. So, where are you from?
Indonesia.
Indonesia. Cool.
Jakarta.
Nice, nice.
Thank you.
Where will that be posted?
Tribune style.
Tribune style? Yeah, cool, man. Nice one.
Okay. Tribune style.
Yeah, cool, man. Nice one. Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
Say 1, 2, 3 para aqui. 1, 2, 3.
Supporter Belanda tadi namanya Burger. Dia berdiri di tempat pesta.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya. Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.